Hey, what's going on, peeps? It's Brian again, and we're back here cutting some more pieces and parts off of tetanus. It's been a couple days, but take a break every once in a while. What we're doing today, we're gonna finish tearing the stuff off this door. I'm gonna keep all this mechanism stuff because it still worked. It did actually work. The window would roll up and down if I rolled it up and down with the mechanism. So just gotta clean it up and earl it up a little bit there, and it should be good to go again. Not sure about the door striker parts or the cable for that one. We might have to just cough up the money for that one, but want to get this door torn apart so I can come over here, finish knocking this fender off, and then take this door apart. Do the same thing you saw me do the other night, so I'll just cut this door up and get the glass out of it because it's still good. Just needs some more weather stripping. And yeah, then I can get all this stuff in the scrap pile, and we can get ready to take all this stuff to scrap because the scrap pile is getting a little big here. So, and I saved that piece, the door card from the passenger door there. I'm going to use that as a template to make something up when I finally put this thing back together. So yeah, I'm trying to save some parts, save what I can. All the glass is actually good. It's not super duper, none of it's cracked or anything. I just need some trim pieces to go on, but yeah, there's gonna be a lot more cutting and moving around. So once we get all the scrap out, maybe tomorrow or some other time this weekend, I will be free to start with the removing the interior. Yummy. It's a little nasty. You guys have probably seen that, but yeah. Get some gloves on and go to town. What's crazy is there's still some of this trim stuff in here that is actually still good. So I'm gonna, once I get it all torn apart, then I'll be able to see what I can keep and what I can't keep, and we'll go from there. So we'll throw you guys on a time lapse, and you'll get to watch me finish tearing apart this door, move on to the next one. Hey peeps, what's going on? It's Brian, I'm back again. What you saw all day today was, in that video, I tore apart the other door. Got the stuff out of there, so as you can see I got passenger door stuff over there, driver's door stuff over there. Put the big windows on top there because they're out of the way. Got the other front fender off. And now it sets me up to start tearing out the interior so I can get this glass out. So that'll be next. So looking forward to that. I also cleaned up a little bit in here. See, I swept around, moved stuff around, moved the toolbox back over there. And we'll go out here and look, see if there's enough light you guys can see out here. Oh, just enough light. And as you can see, the scrap pile is growing. So we'll be trucking all that stuff out of there. Let me go back inside where you guys can see me. So yeah, now you got to see how you tear apart a 60-year-old door off a car. And yeah, so we'll get back at it. So the next ones you're gonna see, get that trunk off of there. I don't know if you guys have seen in there yet, but I don't have a trunk. Not that there's a big gap in the middle of there because that's where the gas tank usually goes. Yeah, the gas tank is in my trunk. So yeah. So next video I'll be figuring out how to pull this bench seat out. I'll get the rear seats out. I gotta get all these kick panels off of here, which are somewhat in decent shape. I guess I just need to get painted. And so I can get this glass out. And once that's out, then I can start doing the cuts to remove the rusty crap quarter panels. And so that's where we're going. If you like this content, you know, hit that subscribe button. Any questions, comments, concerns, gripes, complaints, you know where to put them. And we'll talk at you later. Take it easy, peeps.